Laura Handke, Like Oswego's transformational voice teacher here on LinkedIn, spotlighting some of my contacts here and celebrating how people are using their voices in the world. And today I want to talk about Courtney Boles. Now, Courtney is a captive risk consultant at RMC Group, whom I met through one of Christine Smith's wonderful 4x4 groups. And this is what Courtney has to say about herself. I'm a hiker, scuba diver, kayaker, and traveler who also enjoys a good book or challenging crossword. So why am I, she asked, a person that seeks fun and freedom in the staid world of insurance? Because I also love breaking the mold. She says, I am not your traditional business insurance producer. I'm authentically, irrepressibly me. I love it. And captives are not your typical buy the policy, pay the premium, hope for no losses, repeat insurance solutions. Captives and alternative risk management are a chance to collaborate, get creative, and reap the business profit when you do it well. She says, I'm also the president of the Phoenix Firestorm chapter of Success Champions, where networking gets the same overhaul as insurance to fix what wasn't working. And because I can't overstate how much having friends has changed my life, I administer East Valley Social Club 30 Plus to help people get out from behind the screens and make friends of their own. Well, I personally think Courtney is fun and spunky, and I bet if you get to know her, you'll think so too. So check out Courtney Boles in RMC Group right here on LinkedIn. Again, I'm Laura Handke, Like Oswego's transformational voice teacher. And if you want to find out more about your own voice, how to have more impact and vocal longevity, you can find me at laurahandke.com or right here on LinkedIn.